Aki.
Is it my turn to sing? You may take your seat first. Let's just give a little backgrounder on what will be happening today on your special day. Mr. O'Toole, civil wedding is very simple, it's very short, but let us make it memorable for both of you. So I will be asked later, I will be asking questions for both of you. So that our audience, your witnesses.
All I can say, I hope your love story will be forever.
Thank you, Ninang Beverly. How about Godfather Janice Johnson? Do you have something to say to our couple? Do you have something? Do you have a message for both of them?
Jeg håber, at I får en lang liv sammen og lever lykkeligt.
Long relationship. And Mrs. Marilyn Johnson, do you want to say something?
I think it's the same. Yeah.
Wish for both of them to have a long
Relationship.
yes, long-lasting relationship. Okay. Thank you. How about Roxy? Wala na tawag. O Ninang Jurena. Ninong Jay. O Ninong Jay na lang. She's shy. One of the Ninangs is shy. She doesn't want. Repeat after me, Mary Ann.
Marianne,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love and loyalty.
of my love and loyalty.
Today,
Today,
I chose you to be my wife. I chose you to be my
today I
wife.
chose you to be my wife,
And I promise
and I promise
that I will love you
that I will love you
for the rest of my life.
for the rest of my life.
Walang nanagkog na ang inyong mga tugtog. I said it became bigger now. So we witness, face each other, hold hands. So we witness this exchange of rings of Mr. Michael O'Toole and Miss Mary Ann Aki. Now, to give the legalization of their marriage, by the power vested in me as the municipal mayor of this town, Tabango, I am glad to announce that Mr. Michael Shane O'Toole and Miss Mary Ann Quisol Aki are now husband and wife. Let us give them a warm round of applause. And so, Mr. Michael, this is the day that it is legal. So you are illegal for how many days? So, let us witness and show to us your first legal kiss. On my signal,
In 10 seconds.
ready, camera. Ano ba you sing?
10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. On my signal, Mr. Michael, you may now kiss your wife.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's sit down first and let us sign the document. May I request 2 chairs, one on my right and one on the left. And please come over as I call your name. You stand, both of you, and face our audience, the guests. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Michael Shane Otto. Let us give them a warm round of
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Then after this one, the principal sponsors will join our newlywed, you know, our principal mayor for the photo opportunity. And together with our ring bearers.
Sama deh. Wait lang. Wait lang, mama. Wait lang. Excuse. Ma'am, excuse na ko gamay, mama. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Okay na ko dahil.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have the parents of the bride.
Picture ba na rin? Share.
Again, thank you so much to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Maria Corazon Iri Mandaban, and of course our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Bernard Chinatan M. Rimandaban. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Next, we have from the father's side, no? Sila si Ma'am Dailin Pilayo, Wilma Pilayo, Laila Anil, Marilo Aki, Sherwin